Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right gear. Pick a phone, tablet, laptop, or TV with AirPlay. Once done, update the OS and browser because streaming requires the latest codecs and security. This prevents playback glitches. Make sure your device is charged to over 50% and on a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid drops. Install the Apple TV app or open Safari/Chrome and sign in with your Apple ID so you can join the stream as soon as it goes live. You should open the Apple event page or app about 15 to 30 minutes before the start time. That gives you time to resolve access issues. Next, switch to Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and close apps that hog bandwidth so the stream stays smooth. Configure playback options, choose video quality and turn on subtitles if you want captions. Test audio levels, and if casting, confirm AirPlay or HDMI works. Doing these middle steps avoids scrambling when the keynote begins. You click play at the scheduled time and focus on the announcer. Use pause or rewind if the app offers instant replay to catch details. While watching, consider recording locally or jotting timestamps for product reveals and specs so you can reference them later. If the stream fails, first refresh the page, then try a different browser or device. If problems persist, lower the video quality to 720p to reduce buffering. That single troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.